In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an image into your Adobe XD project, whether you're looking to enhance your design with stunning visuals or simply incorporate a new graphic. This process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have Adobe XD open and ready and navigate to the project or document where you'd like to place your image. This is your workspace, your creative canvas, where all the magic happens. Now, to bring in your image, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Select File, and from the drop-down options, click on Import. If you're a fan of shortcuts and quicker ways to execute commands, you can also use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, you'll press Ctrl+I, and if you're working on a Mac, it's CMD+I. This little trick can save you some time, especially when you're multitasking or speed is of the essence. Once you select the Import option, an Import dialog box will appear. This is where you'll browse through your files to locate the image you want to add. Make sure it's either a PNG or JPG file, as these formats are widely compatible with Adobe XD. Navigate through your folders, find that perfect image that fits your project's needs, select it, and click Open. Within moments, you'll see the image pop up right on your canvas, ready for you to edit and place as you wish. Now that your image is on the canvas, you have the flexibility to move it around and position it precisely. Adobe XD is designed to give you control over every element, so feel free to resize or manipulate the image just like any other object in your project. Adjust the size, change the position, and make sure it complements your design perfectly. This is where your creativity really gets to shine, as you integrate the image seamlessly into your work. But wait, there's an alternative method that's even quicker if you like simplicity. You can simply drag and drop your image file from your folder directly onto the Adobe XD artboard. Just open your File Explorer or Finder, find the image, and drag it over. As soon as you drop it onto your artboard, you can place it exactly where you want it within the project. Drag and drop is particularly handy for a more intuitive approach, saving you the steps of going through menus. And there you have it, an easy way to bring images into your Adobe XD projects to elevate your designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, mastering these techniques can streamline your workflow and enhance your creative process. Enjoy crafting your designs, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.